Welcome to day 2 of a 6-day Australia Outback adventure. Here is a map of the second day adventure. Almost got lost, but we didn't.
Here we are, 6:30 in the morning. (2°C). Not the Australia I thought. Morning sunshine. Good morning. It's gonna be quiet. Oh, Sleepyhead is still sleeping. Here's our campsite. From the ground. Oh, I see hens. Somebody's awake. I can feel the heat of the sun finally. Morning sunshine.
The moon went down at about 2:40, by the way.
Oh. So we should get up at 2:40 tomorrow. Just getting the morning started. Killing bugs already.
These are bugs I brought from home.
We imported the bugs.
Yeah.
Gotta get the coffee going, the tea. Making toast.
Yeah.
You open fire, thanks. Can you just put it down somewhere for me, please? Thank you.
Right,
I'm operating a camera right now and a knife, which is very dangerous. Ready to have some breakfast. Avo toast on the fire. We got some coffee going on there, I think. He's making something with his little drink box, juice box, like milk.
It's not like milk, it's actual milk.
It's actual milk. Hey, don't knock it. That
Comes from a cow, not that tree.
yeah, a little disappointed, I must say, in this coconut milk. Bought it, then I realized and read on the back 12% only, and only 5 ingredients, and turns out only 12% is actually coconut milk. The rest is rice. So good on me for not completely reading in the stores. Thanks, Coles. There he goes, out of the juice box. Excellent. Let's enjoy this avocado toast.
You're only allowed to make so much ton of meat per day, right? You do know that.
I'm actually ignoring my camping mate there. I'm enjoying this avocado toast. So delicious. How are you enjoying your fruity little bowl?
Love it.
The size of it, it's like a kid's menu.
Look at the view I get from my breakfast table.
Isn't that amazing? Notice the quiet. Unless I start talking or you start talking.
Off you go.
All right, let's get an aerial view of where we camp in, and look at that, the vastness of the Australian outback. Now, we said and shot for Elk Rock, but we're just shy. There's Elk Rock now. And, well, I come back here just shy of Elk Rock again.
Sure. And we have left, or leaving, the campground. educated here.
So it's quite easy. You see this
Strap.
strap there? Pull it down, unclip it, and then
I do have to say my attempt collapsing was a little bit quicker than yours. Not that it's a competition, but
come
yeah.
up here.
And it's got to clip back up there again.
So there's a little loop there.
Yeah, I see it. Yeah, it loops in there.
Yeah.
A little bit of struggle.
Well, it's
This road is rather rocky. Trying to keep the camera stable, but look at the hood just moving around.
Getting into some rocky terrain. Need to lower the pressure to 25, says the driver.
Well, let's get another aerial view of us driving. You can see with Captain Slow taking his time, but you know, you don't want to get stuck out here. We only saw 3 cars in the full 2 days that we were out here. All right, look at that. We can see ourselves getting in some higher treetops. I had it set for 30 meters. And as you can tell, as we're coming in, not high enough. Whoops. Thank God for those sensors. Well, we recovered the drone and we were on our way.
To pick up the drone, what an amazing sight. Nothing for miles and miles. In the background, a little bit of a lake. Buying some Australian biltong or beef jerky. I can't say, sorry, South African one's the best. Yep, they do it right. Lekker biltong.
a nice one to eat campsite.
On the back, doesn't it have the index of all the roads?
Yeah, it does,
Oh,
but I'm
what
too
that?
lazy to do that.
I'm not recording, so. Oh no, I still am.
Ah. Wow.
So you go to the
It's
back.
actually not the back, it's the front.
The front, you look for the street name.
We open this one, and we are 80. Okay, so we'll probably. There's like king, okay, yep. There's hiding, so we should be.
So we've determined we need to go straight. We'll find out if we'll get there or not.
So you're gonna give me a chip so I can taste, or?
Yeah. Double crunch. Could you get some in your mouth, eh?
I did. Just one.
Barbecue ribs. We've hit civilization. Tar road. Looks like we're gonna have to pump up our tires after we deflated them. I'm gonna push the button. He's too cheap to get an automatic one. Yeah. Ready? Yeah. Are we there yet?
Depends on where there is, I guess.
You gotta get a Hummer where it automatically does this for you. Very old school. Actually, old school would be hand pump.
Grab.
You got
Punch it
to
up.
stop for oversized vehicle. It is oversized. So friendly. Everybody waves. This is where we're going to end up, hopefully. It's the road. We gotta go through a few of these maps. We about here right now. Hopefully we'll make it through to here, all the way down, eventually to here. Tim Tams, another Australian thing to do. Stopping off at Jerramungup because we're not going all the way down right at this point in time. We are right about here on the map. That's what it looks like. We're going to stop for Princess's bread rolls, apparently, is what we need.
Do you want hot dogs or not?
I want a tube steak. I want a tube steak special, please. When we camp, that's what it's called.
Oh, all right then. But we're not in Canada, but okay. Make it.
I love Google Maps. Not even on a road. That's why we had to get old school. Jerramungup. Here we are.
Okay, this looks like it's a happening place, yeah.
It is, but I'm worried where the IGA place is, so we can get our buns.
Yeah.
Buns. Oh, okay.
Would be my guess. Is it?
No, IGA, straight ahead.
Oh.
Right next to the cell tower. Let's see if we could get a cell service.
Oh, I got nothing.
IGA. Interesting IGA. Yummy pie. Wow, it would be a great view if there wasn't a bug splatter right there.
What is that stuff in the water?
Do a quick lunch break, have our pies.
Great lunch. So what do you want? What do you think?
I don't know, let's try the beach. See if we can go to the beach. I mean, we can always come back here, right? I mean, worst case scenario. We can go back here. Alright, let's try this pie. See if it's any good. It's as good as the Aussie best from Pinjera.
It's not quite up to Pinjara standard, but it's doable.
Oh, it was good. The flakiness is very chewy.
Good call though.
Yeah.
If we left it any longer, it would have been.
Good thing we cooked it when we did, eh?
What were you saying? Was it chewy?
Yeah, chewy there. Now it's not as flaky on top, but it's a lot of chewy.
Yeah, but you saw how
But in a
much
pinch.
condensation there was. I think
Yeah,
that's
yeah,
what it
yeah.
did.
But in a pinch, it's good.
Mm-hmm.
You must have your Aussie pie. Oh. Good. So, looks like we made it to Moore's Point here. But, oh, beach camping. So we're gonna go give it another try at another beach. See you in a bit. Well, we made it to Betty's Beach, but camping prohibited, but wow. That's stunning. Go a little further down the road and this happens. My driver's chicken to go on the beach, because that would be a great parking. But it's his vehicle. He calls the ball. East Beach Road. Decided this is where we're going to stay. Here's why. Campsite setup. Day 2 is in the books. Now we just need to go get some shut-eye.
Here we are on East Bay Campground, and man, what a view. That water is so warm and turquoisey and inviting, and that sunset was breathtaking. Definitely will come back here again.
There's somebody driving on the beach.
Can you guys spot the Southern Cross? How about now without the clouds? Good night.